Pulhot! Wa na. Di na pwede. Run. Musud, pwede mo ito masud ito, ma'am. Musud sa car park.
Depende, basin
Ipasudlan.
palimpyuhan. Dili, oy.
Private property. And again, make sure that your health and safety are a priority. If you do not feel well or need assistance, we have medics around the race course. So please alert a volunteer o kung kakuyap po na po. Dili na magsimot-simot.
Of Filipino farmers.
I voluntarily participate to run or walk with good spirit.
I voluntarily ride and walk with good spirit.
Maintain a positive attitude
Maintain a positive attitude.
and encourage others throughout the racetrack. I will respect the rules of the event organizers,
I will respect the rules of the event or
obey the traffic rules and regulation,
obey the traffic rules and regulations.
appreciate the security enforcement of our PNP uniformed personnel.
Appreciate the faith.
Ano ka maumsong ay?
Paspasan tagahanap po doon.
I consent to emergency medical treatment if necessary
I consent medical treatment if necessary.
and recognize the sponsors and volunteers' service sacrifices
Tapos papel gihapon.
who make this event possible.
Make this event possible.
Knowing that their hard work
Knowing that their hard work
is essential for our organizational cause.
is essential for our organizational cause.
In the spirit of organizational affinity,
The spirit of organizational unity.
I will embrace both the victories and the challenges,
I will embrace the big victory and challenge.
understanding that the true goal is to accept challenge for myself
Understanding that the true goal
and celebrate respect
Di na may
for.
mahural.
I will support and uplift my fellow runners,
Will uplift. Support them.
creating an environment
Creating an environment
of camaraderie,
and camaraderie,
joy,
joy,
and mutual respect.
and mutual respect.
With this pledge,
This pledge,
I commit to fostering sportsmanship
I commit to
naman ako kabaw.
and making this Pharma Fun Run a memorable experience for all.
making this pharma run.
Okay, now that we're motivated and ready, it's time to get our bodies warmed up.
Asa ka na
I would like to acknowledge the
Kato. Kato siya na runner to siguro. Ma'am, hinay man noon, ma'am, maghinahinay taglakaw. Pero sige, tanong ko itong tuhod, maghinahinay, mapagmukusog siguro. Full hot! Wala na. Hindi na pwede. Run.
Number 419. Grabe yun. Ang kumakas sa Minarada.
I so admire the endurance.
Grabe. Grabe ako sa performances.
As soon as my photo have already, we already have a number of people have already.
Thank you so much, guys. Sumanami og run. Thank you so much, Lord. Bye-bye, tutut.
While waiting for others, no, magbuan. Ang mga participants, ayaw na umalihog para na makumanat ta. Ang mga estudyante na diha, ang mga participants, alin na ba rin? Guys, alin. Alin tani, ang mga participants, alin na ba rin?
Okay, congratulations on finishing the run.